Okay, let's take a start. It's
Okay.
speaking part one.
Okay.
Do you use internet very much?
Yes, I use internet very much for different reasons. Firstly, I use internet for my education. If I feel any query or any difficulties, I just Google that difficulty and answer my question. Secondly, I use internet for any type of hustle which I face in my daily routine according to my task which I performing on the daily basis. So yes, I use internet a
Now
lot.
you said I use internet 3 times. First time you should have said I use internet. Second time I surf the net. Third time I go online. Right? So just try to use a variety of words that will improve your bench score. And these words are simple and easy to learn. When was the first time you used the internet?
Normally, I don't remember that thing that firstly I used the internet. But to answer your question, I think it was when I was 12 to 13 years old. Then I first used the internet.
Yes, at that age or at that time, I was introduced to the internet, and since then, I've been using
Using
it.
that app.
Just, complete answer. Is the internet very important to you?
Yeah, definitely. Internet is very important for me nowadays because if I am not in touch with the internet, then I will totally cut off with the societies as my friends, family. So nowadays, I'm more dependent on the internet for my daily routine.
All right. Is internet expensive in your country?
No. Internet nowadays, internet is not expensive in my country. Now, internet is easily accessed for all the peoples in my
Easily accessible?
accessible for all the peoples in my country, and they use internet according to their choice and requirements.
Talk
So
about the rate, tariff of internet. Because the question is, do you think internet is expensive? So you're talking about accessibility. You need to talk about price.
okay.
Right? So you say internet is quite affordable. There are different packages. Even youngsters can afford them easily. So to answer your question, internet is very economical in my
My
country.
country.
Something like this. Do you think you can live without internet?
To be honest, no. I don't think so that I can live without an internet because internet is very essential part for everyone's life as well as my life also. So to answer your question, I can't live without an internet.
Now, instead of saying I can't live without internet, say I cannot think of living without internet. Right? Or I cannot stay alive without internet. Stay alive is living without internet. Okay? Just variety of words will improve your bench score in actual exam. Thank you.
Thank you.